Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable showing content from FreeForm and the Siri Search, so right here on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, but let's say first in which case you want to deselect this option. So let's say you do something on FreeForm and you save your just drawings or notes, and you name it some topic, for example, let's say Ferrari F40. And now if you have something, I will show you, although it's untilted, I'm going to name it, okay, rename it to Ferrari F40, because I don't know why, but let's say Ferrari F40. And now let's go to Siri Search and now type Ferrari F40, and now as you can see we can find of the FreeForms, the FreeForm bars right here in the Siri Search. But let's say we don't want to have it, so what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down, tap on the reminders, sorry, not reminders, the FreeForm, then you want to go to the Siri Search and then deselect show content and search. Just tap on a button, make sure it's gray, so it means it turns off. And now if I'm going to type, as you can see now we still can see it, and now I'm going to just type the 40 here, and now we are not longer going to see the content from the FreeForms and the Siri Search. So now it is disabled, now the content showing is enabled, now disabled. So this is it. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!